त्रैलोक्य गीता चैप्टर 18 विशेषांश ज्ञानयोगः association of knowledge of special points.
कोऽपि जीवक्षुधा मृत्युं प्राप्नुयान्न दृशः पुरः क्षुधाशान्त्यै च यद्वाते महाप्रीतिस्ततः प्रभोः. Don't allow any living being with awareness to die with hunger before your eyes. Also, don't kill any such living being to pacify your hunger. If you follow these two principles, I assuredly tell all of you that the Divine Lord will be very much pleased with you.